tired of holding up long pieces of wood on my drill press. It's very tough for me one-handed. So I built this little jig out of scrap wood. I made a full video on this if you're interested. I really built it because I needed it for the real project I'm working on, which is a heavy-duty rolling cart for my table saw so that it won't slide across the floor anymore. The idea is that the jig flips over the drill press table and then cams into a locking position. Thanks for watching!